In the previous lecture, we created the user interface of the way to be able to interact with the backend to prompt the large language model, the chat one. And now we need to connect the user interface to the view controller. So we have right now 3 different elements and we want to connect them. So the first one we want to connect is the text field. So how do I know? Well, you can click on it and you can go here and it says what type it is right here, UI text field. So that's what I need to create. I'm going to open a new tab, Command T, and in that tab, I'm just gonna go to the view controller. By the way, there are other ways to do it. One quick way would be to just split the screen here. I'm not doing it right now, but I guess, you know, I could show you because it's pretty small and I'm not a big fan when it's too small. And here I could select the view controller. There we go. So if I push this to the side, so I remove the pane here, that's a little better. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna click on the type prompt, the text field, and I'm gonna press the option key down and I'm gonna drag and drop. Well, let's do the connection first. So here I'm going to add the text field. By the way, I think I moved it, so there we go. So let's create the IB outlet at IB outlet. There we go. And that would be a weak var, so that weak, if you guys remember, it's weak because if somehow this unloads from memory, you want it weak so that it doesn't crash the app. And let's call this text field input. And that would be of type UI text field and put the exclamation point. All right, so now we got to do the connection. Click plus and you can go this way. All right, and drop it. Here we go, connection is done. How do I know it's done? Well, I do have a field dot. Now let's create the one for the send button. IB outlet, weak var, button, send, it's fine, and of type UI button, and the exclamation point at the end. And I'm going to, again, click on the circle here and add the connection to the button. There we go. And now, finally, the text area at IB outlet, weak var, that would be the text, let's call it text area result, and that's the text, sorry, UI text view. There we go. And exclamation point. Now we're going to drag and drop this here again. And there we go, we have the 3 connections.